to you.
Okay, thank you. Um, well, first off, I went looking for a chiropractor. I've been to different chiropractors in the past. I came from California, so I've been to different ones over there and stuff. So I needed an adjustment. So I went looking for a chiropractor, and I found Dr. Tim. Well, not only does he do chiropractor, but he also does your whole body, which I didn't know I really needed until I saw him. Um, I went in. He he does this amazing thing with you where looks at your whole physique, your whole body, and inside and out, and he talks to you about what he feels you need to get healthier, to get better, to live your life more fuller. Um, so we talked about that. He gave me some suggestions. I tried to follow most of them with this good health eating and stuff. Sometimes with my previous job as a UPS driver, it was hard because I'm always on the road, and it's hard to take a good lunch with you when you don't have somewhere to keep it. But with the supplements that he suggests also, and the adjustments, I've felt so much better than I have in the past 15, 20 years. He also addressed my gait, which I wasn't walking properly. I had needed new orthotics. They do that too. So they pretty much cover your whole health. And I mean, I just couldn't, I really can't say more, or I can't express the words really as to what he's done for me and for my health and the way that I feel.
That's awesome, Lori. Thank you so much. And we need to do those more often. That makes us feel really good when we get those stories. Um, so this is about us, no, I'm just kidding. So Lori, thank you so much. Like, it's good to get, we want that feedback from people too, because we're always trying to get better and stuff. So super glad we met you. Thank you for that. That was awesome. So hopefully you can continue on the rest of the call with us here. So guys, and that's the whole thing, we don't do these to kind of make us look good, but we want to share those stories with people because people need help. People are sick and tired, and it's getting worse over time. So that's what our office is literally designed for. So thank you, Lori. So